Hi, everybody. My name is Ramesh Radhakrishnan. I'm part of the Server CTO team within Dell Server and Infrastructure Solutions. Today, I'd like to discuss with you and share some results that we have published on MLPerf. For those that don't know, MLPerf is industry standard benchmarking for machine learning. And it has been gaining traction over the last couple of years. And we run MLPerf internally at Dell for multiple reasons. One, it lets us identify where our portfolio is doing well and where we can improve our system performance. We use it for impacting our system design. And the second, it's a great tool for showcasing the performance and providing guidance to customers on which system or solution meets their inference or training needs. So MLPerf recently completed their second round of inference benchmarking submissions, and Dell Technologies had a round of submissions where we had record-breaking performance. So I'd like to walk through some of those highlights over the next couple of minutes. So Dell Technologies was the only vendor that had submissions on multiple solutions. And what I mean by multiple solutions is platforms that leverage GPU acceleration, leverage FPGAs, that used inference on CPUs, and submitted results on an edge platform. So this round of submissions showcased the breadth and diversity of the Dell Technologies portfolio. And then we also partnered closely with our VMware teams to showcase performance on virtualized infrastructure. So we realized that a lot of our customers and users are using VMware for virtualization for multiple reasons. And by showcasing the performance on a virtualized platform and demonstrating that it achieved near native performance, we demonstrated that virtualized infrastructure can be used for running AI inference workloads. So here are a few of the key highlights that are listed. So we had performance on the latest NVIDIA A100 PCIe accelerators, which were demonstrated on the PowerEdge R7525. Now, the PowerEdge R7525 is based on the latest AMD EPYC CPU processors, and it is a 2U platform that can support up to 3 full-height double-width GPUs. Now, on this platform, we demonstrated leading performance for use cases like medical imaging and image classification. Next, we ran and showcased performance on NVIDIA T4s. If you recall, T4 was a GPU that was specifically targeted for inference, and it is based on the Turing architecture, which came before NVIDIA Ampere. Now, the T4 is a smaller, low-profile card, which is actually very power efficient. It only consumes 75 watts. So the T4 is supported across all our rack servers. So we ran it across multiple servers and showcased that the R7525, the BSS8440, and the Edge platform, which is the XE2420, demonstrated leading performance when compared against other T4 platforms. Now, Dell Technologies was the only company that ran inference on the NVIDIA Quadro RTX GPUs. And therefore, we broke all the records in this category. And one of the reasons why we used this particular accelerator was because we see that customers were running inference on multiple GPU models from NVIDIA. So they weren't limiting it to T4 or A100s. They were also running it on RTX cards because that is what they had in their possession. So in addition to demonstrating performance, leading performance across these platforms, We also showcased, the breadth of our portfolio by running it across all these. We had the leading number of submissions for MLPerf inference in the data center category. And when we look at the overall results across platforms that use PCIe accelerators, whether GPUs, FPGAs, or just using CPUs, we saw that we achieved results that came in the top 3 for all the different use cases. So this here just shows where our platforms came in the top 3 for PCI-based platforms. And as you can see, this covers a wide range of use cases. So if you are using AI inferencing in medical imaging or natural language processing or something like recommendation engines, you can use this information to size how many platforms you need, how many GPUs you need, how many FPGAs are needed to satisfy your specific performance requirements. So feel free to reach out to Dell to talk about your inference needs. You can go read more about the results themselves. We have a lot of technical blogs that are published to highlight both the capabilities of our platforms as well as how to tune and run these specific types of workloads. So with that, thank you for watching the video and taking the time to learn more about the performance of our platforms and the capabilities of our portfolio. Thank you and have a good conference.